Gun bills advance in the New Jersey Senate. Here's what lawful gun owners need to know. This just got real for New Jersey gun owners. Yet again, another group of bills, soon to become law possibly, in New Jersey. A new set of anti-gun bills is racing through Trenton, and after last week's Senate committee vote, things are really heating up fast. I'm Steve with Martell Training Group, a retired New Jersey state trooper, firearms instructor, and author of Defend Confidently. Today I'm breaking down what's changed, what's coming next, and what every lawful gun owner in this state needs to understand before it's too late. Why does this matter now? Back in March, I did a video on this, and I'll put a link in the description. Back in March, the New Jersey Assembly passed a stack of gun bills. I covered them then, 5 in total, and I warned that they were setting the stage for something bigger. Fast forward to June 20th, last week, the Senate Law and Public Safety Committee just voted to advance most of these bills. That means that they're now eligible for a full Senate vote at any time. And here's the kicker. Nearly all of these bills were passed on party line votes. If you carry legally in New Jersey, or even just own firearms for sport or defense, these new laws are aimed directly at you. Let's go over the key bills again, because several have changed and now some include amendments designed to soften the public blow, but the core threats remain. S 3893, the machine gun conversion kit device ban. This bill makes it a third-degree crime to simply possess a, quote, conversion device. Think Glock switch. Even if you don't own a gun, it's already illegal under federal law and New Jersey law. But now the bill adds stiffer penalties and murky language. You can face 3 to 5 years in prison just for a part sitting in your desk drawer. S 3894, criminalizing digital files. You heard that right. Just possessing instructions on how to make a firearm part, whether you use them or not, could be a crime. If you saved a file 5 years ago on building a custom AR grip or magazine and forgot about it, that's now evidence. S 1558, historical firearms in the crosshairs. This one stings if you're a collector. If you own a lawfully acquired antique or historic firearm without a serial number, you could face first-degree charges under this bill. That's up to 20 years in prison in New Jersey. S 3706, Merchant Category Code Mandate. Financial institutions will now be forced to assign special tracking codes to any purchase of guns, ammo, or accessories. This lays the groundwork for a backdoor registry. And if you think banks won't use that info to, quote, debank or flag customers, just look at what's already happened in other states. S 4976, Assembly Bill, Reckless Discharge Law. Seems harmless on the surface, penalizes firing a gun within 100 yards of a school or daycare. But here's the danger. This bill offers no clear exception for lawful self-defense, and it's already law under 2C39.4 and 2C39.5. The bottom line is none of us are for criminals owning illegal machine guns, and everyone agrees that domestic abusers shouldn't have firearms. But that's not what these bills are really about. These bills aren't aimed at criminals. They're aimed at people like you, law-abiding gun owners. And if you think these won't impact you because you, quote, follow the law, understand this. When the law is vague or excessive, everyone becomes a potential criminal. They want you powerless. What we're seeing here is a strategy of attrition, a slow grind of legal pressure, financial restrictions, and vague statutes designed to discourage gun ownership entirely. Don't comply, you risk an indictable offense. Do comply, you lose your privacy, your peace of mind, maybe even your rights. This is more than legislation. It's a test of whether New Jersey's law-abiding citizens will stay informed, stay united, and stay free. So what can you do? You can send an email, and I'll put these resources below, to your senator, representatives, and express to them that you are not for these bills to become law. You can advise them that you do not want them to vote for these bills to become law. The fight isn't over. Unless we speak up, train smart, and stay united, we might just become the target. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and share it. Also subscribe for more videos like this, and check out the links in the description for a free personal safety and situational awareness guide. That's also on the screen as well. And you can check out the link to my best-selling book, Defend Confidently, which is available on Amazon. There's also information on the online course that we offer, which goes into much more detail on these topics. Stay safe, stay sharp, and stay free.